Hello class R. I'm here with Fred because Fred has got a writing challenge for you that is inspired by, yes, the story we heard the other day. I'm not sure if you've seen it yet. If you haven't, go and watch the video of it because we love it and it's Superworm. And in the story, Superworm, well, he is, isn't he? He's just a super worm. He's so cool. There's so many different things he does. Yeah, he's a skipping rope. He saves a toad out of the road. You're quite right. Good memory, Fred. What else did he do? He saved a bug out of a well. There are lots of things that Superworm can do. And this page in particular, if you have a little look, he's a swing, he's an acrobat, he's a ride, he's a hula hoop, he's everything. But I was wondering, and so was Fred, can you think of something else that the Superworm could be? Can you think of one, Fred? Ah, that's a good idea. Fred's got one. Okay, help me write it. Then they can watch us and they can maybe guess as we're writing a sentence. And then maybe they can come up with their own. So I've got Fred. I've got all my clever phonics knowledge too. I've got a pen, board, got my tricky word tower, and sound map. So we're ready to go. Right then, Fred. Well, we want me to start with a capital letter. Can do that one. So I'm going to start with the word superworm. Now we know the next sound in superworm, ooh, is an oo sound. But if you look carefully on this book, it doesn't go ooh ooh poo at the zoo. There's just a letter U says and that's what's making the oo sound in this word. And because we've got it in front of us, we're going to copy this one because normally we use our phonics, but sometimes we know, like tricky words, phonics doesn't always work. Superworm's a bit of a tricky word, so for today I'm going to copy that. Okay. U, super, w. And again, look, the sound is an O and an R, not an E and an R, not U and an R. So it's not nurse with a person. It's not All right, I'll practice better letter. It's not that one either. It is an O and an R. So worm, w. O and an R making the sound. Super, Superworm. Okay, started our sentence. Superworm is. New words, I need a finger space. It's. Easiest word in the world. Superworm is finger space. Now I need your idea, Fred. What could superworm be? Cool. Superworm is, I think I'm going to run out of room, so I'm going to go on the next line just underneath. Okay. That's the sound we know. There's one more sound in this word. I wonder if you can guess what Fred's idea is. Superworm is a k, I, t. A kite. That is such a good idea, Fred. Superworm is a kite. Oh, he wants to write a little bit more. Okay then, Fred. New word. In. Superworm is a kite in. Oh, can you borrow the tricky towel? Of course you can. Have a look. Okay, I can copy that. In. What's that tricky word? The. Well done. Superworm is a kite in the I is the sound we know. Superworm is a kite in the sky. Have we finished? Need a full stop. Okay, got it. Oh, super centred. Now, Fred, can you draw us a picture? Let me have a go. Okay, I'll have a go. I'll have a go at drawing Superworm as a kite in the sky. Have I got room? I'll go under here. diamond shape. And then we need a wiggly worm. And then Fred, I'm going to draw you at the bottom. Oh, I forgot you've not got arms to hold on to him. I'm going to give you some pretend arms. There we go. So there is Superworm, who's super long and super strong, as a kite in the sky, being held up by Fred. See if you can think of a different idea for Superworm. What could he be instead of just a worm, because he is a superworm? And write it in a sentence, and you can draw a picture. Have a go.